Cranking the bourbon, folks. Oh, for the love of God, have that thing start and just run. You have like a percentage? You think like maybe there's a 50% chance I get this thing going again?
50?
60?
60.
40? What are you thinking below? In case you're new here, I'll catch you up. That's my dad, Mike, and that's his Suburban that's been broken down in that exact spot for the last 8 years. My dad had to get it off that property it's been broken down at, and I just really thought I would give it a shot and try to get it back on the road before I leave California permanently. How do you feel?
I'm excited. I really am.
Do something nice for my pops. So I went ahead and picked it up. Thank goodness Jared is so kind to let me park it down in front of his shop and help me get this thing back on the road. So this is my first time cranking the engine since we pulled the old one out and put a refurbished engine in. Giving it a 40% chance.
Hey, that's good odds.
For 10 years in the field, not bad.
Hey, the RV sat for 12.
Exactly.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's for you, Dad. Been through this so many times, it's like you don't want to get too excited. Oh, my heart just sank a little bit. I'm like, what if we don't ever figure it out? It doesn't sound right. My head hurts. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my God. Should I do it again? No way! Oh my God! No way! Oh, it smells like rat. Ah! I bet it's blowing out of those exhaust pipes right now.
The whole corner of this tailpipe is stuffed with a rat's nest.
Gosh. All the way up here. We did it! Oh my God! Stop recording me. Okay, what am I doing? Am I turning it over? Foot on the gas or anything? Oh, my Lanta. I was trying to get fuel through the line, so it might take a little while. Number 4. Take 7. Oh. Okay. I'm afraid. Some kind of ritual we should do before this? Oh, no, no.
Yes, do yours.
Ah, tabenga.
We're just stalling now.
We are. Okay. All right. Steve's here. Steve's the guy that owns this property. He is a legend.
Nothing powering that up.
Okay.
There's nothing powering the starter.
Yeah, because we didn't miss one of my balls.
This one of your balls. I'm sorry. Get under
Uh,
there. Press them up and lay on.
Yeah. Where is your creeper?
Get down there. I'll lay on top of you.
Okay. Nothing happens when I press on the gas. Any fuel? Okay, let's check the filter. Let's just detach the line that goes into the filter and see if it's even going there.
yeah,
Look at me, kind of knowing what I'm talking about over here. The only issue with working with boys is that they never think you're right. It's pretty toasty. I have like little mini meltdowns every 20 minutes and then I have to go stand in front of the fan.
No pun intended.
It's really like, just like, ah! So, it's just...
It's kind of fun to watch. I should start filming those.
I'm having another one right now.
Meltdown montage.
A meltdown montage. Do this about every 20 minutes. Detached the fuel line from the bottom of the fuel pump. Put it in a gallon of gas, diesel. Let's try it now. Is it sucking?
Yeah.
It is, nice. We're just getting it through everything, right? These jeans are super cute, but I blew the knee out. Stupid knee. I bought some scissors that actually cut at a garage sale, but I lost them. Back to these pieces of crap. I'm kind of digging them a little bit longer because I noticed that in my lizard skin video how much of my butt was coming out of my pants while I was lizard skinning. It was like up to here. Open up your buns. Open up your buns, everybody. Get those buns ready. So, this is the old engine. There's a pin in there. There, right?
Mm-hmm. Right in there. Coming out this way.
I'm supposed to push it out and go into here.
Yeah.
Oh, push this back and
Yeah, it
forth.
pushes this against it and it pumps. We got no pin.
There's no pin.
The pin is mightier than the pump.
This engine that we put in there doesn't have a pin. The guy that rebuilt it didn't put the pin. I got the pin.
Got the pin.
Slide that baby in there. Just slide it on in.
It can't work in these conditions.
Now we gotta try to pump fuel into the lines once they start leaking, because remember right now they're loose, to let the air out. Once they start leaking, we'll tighten those up and just continue to try to pump fuel into the engine. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
You just do this over and over again. That's what I'm being told. Oh, it's toasty. You don't want to fry anything, so like anything in your starter, so that's why you don't just keep going. You got to give it breaks. Fuel's starting to get up there. Sit on a freaking crate. We're gonna tighten up the lines now. Fuel is coming out. It's good. Here we go. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I do it again? No.
Hold on. Can we put the other camera out here?
Yeah. Okay.
When it starts to go, give it a little gas. Not
Okay.
a lot. Just
It's so hard to give it gas on this crate. Look at what I'm sitting on. I hit my forward hat while we're in the Chevy. Come on. They all know where my heart's really at. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just kidding. Just kidding. Why would you say that right before you ever started? Share this for like a couple of weeks. I gotta tell my dad. I go. How can I not send him a clip of this right now? Andrew T, you just gave me $20 to notify me on my phone. Thank you. You guys to go and support me. You're crazy, but I love you.